In this video, we'll take you through the login process in our partner panel. You might remember the registration flow from the previous video. Today, we're focusing on the login flow. First, we need to enter the email we used in the registration process. Not only will you input your email address, but you will also have to enter a password for added security. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry because we provide a password reset facility. Now, click the Submit button to proceed. There may be a brief pause here while admin approval takes place. Once approved, you'll be logged in successfully, and you can view all your partner details that you provided during registration. If you need to amend any information, you can click the Edit button. This allows you to verify and change details provided at registration. But for now, we'll proceed without making any changes. Click the Update button to save your details. On your dashboard, you can check other information such as your bank account number, routing number, and more. You can also manage your wallet details from here. This includes viewing your wallet history, adding money to your wallet, and checking your card details. But first, you will need to add a card. Next, let's proceed to the Redeem Points section. Here, you can collect and review your reward points. At this moment, we haven't collected any points yet, so it displays 0 points. This completes our partner login journey. The partner panel offers more functionalities such as management of vehicles, requests, earnings, and more, which we'll explore in future videos. But for today, we'll wrap it up here by clicking the Sign Out button, completing the login and logout process. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand the login flow for our partner panel.